Hi guys, so right now I am right by the Las Vegas, welcome to Las Vegas sign. I'm going to go over there a bit closer once those guys are finished doing their thing. But yeah, this is where I should have started the journey, but hey. So now I'm here at the area and we're going to check this out and see what's here. My hair's been messed up because I put it right in front of a jet engine. Don't ask.
And I love what's happening with blockchain technology. My friend texted me, she's like, it's 20 degrees. My friend told me what we turn.
Excuse me, show him the soap you're talking about.
Yeah, sure. Don't eat it though. Don't eat it. But smell it. It smells so good. It's watermelon. We're in the canal shop.
Everything's set to epic on this.
Smell the grape one.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Oren Inditsky. I'm Director of Software Product Management here at Dell, and today we're introducing Dell Mobile Connect in VR. Last CES, we introduced Dell Mobile Connect, which was the first ever complete PC smartphone integration, finally allowing the PC and the phone to work better together by giving Dell PC users complete access to text, calls, notifications, and even their mobile applications right onto their PC display. Since we launched the product, more than 30 million texts and calls were facilitated using Dell PCs, and now we want to extend it into VR. We heard that one of the things that limits the gaming VR sessions is simply the fact that gamers are totally disconnected from the outside world. So we want to bring them all the notifications that they care about, text, calls, and even their mobile applications onto VR so they can game longer and stay connected. Let me show you how it works. So Russell right here is playing a game in VR. So instead of leaving the phone in his pocket, he knows that he's not going to miss anything. And if you can focus on the screen, whenever I'm going to call him, and the phone can be in the bag, he's actually going to get a notification somewhere on the floor. And then, if he chooses to answer that notification, he will be able to conduct a phone conversation with me while he's in VR, while the phone is in the bag. Continue playing in VR. Hey, can you hear us, Russell? Awesome. Same thing goes for text messages. So if I'll send Russell a text, he's going to get a notification again somewhere on the floor. He can choose to answer that notification and reply to me, either using voice or a ready-to-use text message that he prepared in advance. The last piece is the complete integration, because we believe that for phone integration, if it's not complete integration, it's not really a solution at all. So let's say that the taxi driver is waiting downstairs, so we can put a 3D virtual model off his phone and control it with the touch of his fingertips in VR. That means that you can get access to all your mobile applications while you're in VR. And I know you guys in the United Kingdom are crazy about football, right? And so when we're gaming on the laptop or on the mobile device, we can always make sure we're not going to miss this next hat trick, right? So same with VR right now. So he can actually take the phone, continue seeing the action off the football right there, and not miss anything while he's in VR. This thing is going to be available later this year for Android and iOS devices for any VR HMD that supports Windows.
So I've just gone to see Dell and Alienware, and I had a demo of the VR system that they've got where you integrate your mobile phone so you can check your messages, and you can even watch the live football results and things like that. It looks really cool. I think it's a bit too much, but you never know. People want to live in their virtual reality world and want to play their games for longer and just have interaction with the outside world now and again. Seems pretty good. Now I've just gone past McAfee. I don't think I'm going to go in, so I'll skip that one. But there's so many people I want to see here. There's Lenovo over there, so let's go over there now. So the Lenovo area is invite only. So guess who got himself put on the list? Me. So just kind of have a look at the rest of it now. I'm not too sure what else is here, but I've got to go back at 4 so I can gain access to the VIP tour for Lenovo.
So in essence, it's a robot like for it's a robotic walker for elderly people.
For elderly people, would it also work for the blind? Or people of very limited sight?
Yeah, for sure, yes. Because let's say there are two things. If let's say one is to help the elderly walk at home safely, and also let's say guide them. So one mode is like it can also drive by itself in the home. So you can say go to kitchen, so it can drive by itself. And we are also using it in hospitals for patients who come. I need to go to the reception desk, and then the robot will lead you there. Or for example, the airports.
So it's you can program it in, or can you do voice commands, or does it do both?
So that's what we are partnering with Amazon. So we can do like voice commands, like okay, take me to the kitchen, or come back to me, or.
So does it need to learn where everything is in the house before?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So we have let's say a lot of like around 70 sensors. So it does the entire mapping of the house. So let's say when you first deliver a robot to a house, you just spend half an hour to just say, okay, this is the bedroom, this is the kitchen, and later on it just goes.
Now I'm going to ask you a very hard question.
Yeah.
Will it take me up the stairs?
No.
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 Okay, so
That's a different problem as such. Yeah.
okay, so is this available now, or is this okay?
We've been selling for last 6 months
Okay,
in the Netherlands.
in the Netherlands.
Yeah, so Netherlands in Europe, so slowly we're expanding to other European countries.
Okay, so what's the uptake on it at the moment, and how long does the battery last?
So if you use it full time, like constantly, it lasts at least for 16 hours.
16 hours. Okay.
But let's say in general, like you walk with it, sit down for a while, and you don't use it for a while. And also at night, it goes to charge by itself, and in the morning it comes to you.
Okay,
And in the middle of the night, you really want the robot, you always press the button, it comes to you wherever you are.
that's great. Can you show me that?
Yeah,
So you have to wear that wrist.
yeah. You can use a wristband, or we have a necklace model, so you can choose one of those.
Wow. Okay, that's really good. So how many sensors did you say you had?
72.
72.
Yeah.
Can it also check your heart rate?
No.
Or like, can it monitor the person and then come to them?
Yeah. So for example, 1 second. So in sense, monitor in sense, what sense do you say?
So say if the person's vital signs are, it won't track them.
So we are coupling it with all the wearable devices.
Okay.
So it has Bluetooth and connects to all the devices.
Yeah.
So the only thing we do track is like how fast are they walking, how often they are walking, and are they doing good, or if they are falling down, protect them from falling down. And,
So what does it retail for?
so we do a lease model. So it's around 250 euros per month. It starts
Okay.
from 250, and so let's say if you're also selling to direct big businesses like hospitals or care centers, it starts from 10,000 euros.
Okay. Okay, for people with limited mobility, I guess it's really good for them.
Yeah, yeah. And especially we see with people with Parkinson's,
Yeah.
it's really important.
Okay.
It's nice because these people, they have a lot of tremors and they cannot walk, their legs are shaking.
Yeah, yeah.
This gives them stability.
Okay.
Plus also we make a metronome. So like tick, 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 tick
Yeah,
sound.
yeah.
So
Well, what does that do?
It keeps them focused. So with doing the experiments, we figured out they need some trigger because their muscles, they don't actually move. So the brain needs to provide extra impulses for them to keep moving.
I see. Okay, so basically as you're going, you're programming the body to
learn to walk
okay.
again. So what we saw, like there are some guys who didn't walk for 10 years because for Parkinson's, we gave them in half an hour they could walk.
Wow,
so that's actually
really
quite
good.
impressive. We have to see how they
Did
walk.
you win an award for this at all or anything?
We got few awards because we have been in research for 4 years.
Okay.
So like the first 2 years ago we got the Shell Innovation Award.
Oh wow.
And we got a few live, like there's an the Rabobank in Netherlands.
Okay.
They also have, let's say, the innovative care, like the tech for care award.
Okay.
And we got all those things. Yeah.
Wow, that's really good. Have you got a leaflet for this or anything? So now we're going into the Innovation Awards showcase. So let's see all the good stuff that's happening in the industry.
Green massage chair.
So I'm in some weird area now where I think it's all esports and sports technology and how it can help people that are athletes and just general consumers. I've just seen a really cool invention. It's a pair of trainers that can detect that you're going to fall before you fall. I don't know what they're going to do about it. But yeah, I'd like to see that in action, so I'm going to try and find out where they are and get a demo.
And then even more giveaways to come after that. You think that's the best we got? We got more HyperX quad-cast microphone. Not even Nintendo, don't they?
Yeah, you know, it kind of reminds you of like the Saturday morning cartoons when you're a little kid, right? Just the old school Hanna-Barbera.
It makes you, I guess, have an appreciation for everything too, because if it has a face on it, you can't really be mean to it. Okay? Everything has value. The life lessons taught by Nintendo.
I love it. Luigi right now chilling in sixth. Let's see, in the front though we got